Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why clouds form? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind these fluffy, floating masses. Prepare to be amazed. Clouds are an essential part of Earth's weather and climate systems, but what exactly causes them to form? The answer lies in the intricate interplay between temperature, humidity, and atmospheric conditions. First off, let's talk about the basics. Water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water present in the air. The amount of water vapor the air can hold depends on the temperature. Warmer air can hold more water vapor, while cooler air can hold less. The process of cloud formation generally follows these steps. Evaporation. Water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and even plants evaporates into the atmosphere, becoming water vapor. Rising air. Warm air rises because it is less dense than cold air. As the air rises, it carries water vapor with it. Cooling. As the air rises, it cools. When the air cools to its dew point, the temperature at which air becomes saturated with moisture, the water vapor begins to condense. Condensation. The water vapor condenses onto tiny particles in the air called condensation nuclei, such as dust, salt, or smoke particles. This forms tiny droplets of liquid water or ice crystals, depending on the temperature. Cloud formation. These tiny water droplets or ice crystals come together to form a cloud. Now, let's delve into the role of atmospheric conditions. Various factors can influence the formation of clouds, including air masses. Different air masses with varying temperatures and humidity levels can collide, forcing warm, moist air to rise and cool, leading to condensation and cloud formation. Topography. When air moves over mountains, it is forced to rise, cool, and condense, forming clouds. This is known as orographic lifting. Weather fronts. When a cold front meets a warm front, the warm air is pushed upwards, causing it to cool and form clouds. This is common in stormy weather. Convection. During the day, the sun heats the Earth's surface, causing the air near the ground to warm up and rise. As it rises, it cools and condenses, forming cumulus clouds, often seen on sunny days. This understanding is best achieved by imagining a hot summer day by the sea. Sunlight heats seawater, evaporating it. Warm, moist air ascends, cools, and eventually condenses into droplets, forming cumulus clouds. With time, these merge and grow, resulting in larger clouds and possibly precipitation. So, the next time you gaze at the sky and see clouds drifting by, remember the complex yet fascinating process that brought them to life. It's a perfect example of how Earth's natural systems work together to create the weather we experience every day. As we wrap up this journey into the world of clouds, I encourage you to stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our atmosphere. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay curious.